How to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting. So if you want to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Now go with the reel section. Under your reel here on the upper side, you will have drafts. Tap on draft, and here you will have your draft, right? So you just need to simply tap on draft. Once you tap on it, now tap on edit, which is on the upper right. And here you just need to simply go with the arrow. Now once you tap on edit, which is on the upper right, you'll have this kind of interface. Tap on the video or the reel, and here if you swipe right, here on the right side on the last option you will have download. So tap on download and tap on save to camera roll or tap on save draft. So if you want to save it to your gallery, then tap on save to camera roll and it will be saved. So that's how you can save your Instagram draft reels in your gallery without posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.